Chattering.
Go.
No, I can't. See, it's easy for you now. I know what it's like to be you. I know what it's like to be me.
Wait. Let me take out your phone out of the way. Oh, here's your gum if you need gum.
Yeah, I'm gonna need this.
Okay, here's the cup of water. Go.
Again, my teeth are chattering.
Just go. You're just
Scared.
go. Go.
I'm not even doing this on purpose.
Go.
I'm not doing that on purpose.
Just go.
Okay, fine, ready? I can't do this. Fuck. Okay, ready? Ready?
Go.
Okay, ready? No, calm yourself. I'm gonna throw up.
No, you're not. Forget about the text message.
Oh, it's my dad. I have to answer it. Oh shit, that's number 4. Dad, check. I'm good. Ready?
Here, you have the cup of water ready?
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Just do it.
I really don't want to do this.
Go. Go.
Can't do this. I'm lying to my dad saying I'm good.
Go.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, ready?
There's cinnamon everywhere.
I didn't do a poof. Okay.
Better clean my floor later.
That was horrible. Ow! Teeth. Okay, I'm good.
You sure?
Tissue. Okay. Oh, I'm a mess. No, I just won't.
Are you done?
I'm done. That wasn't that bad, actually.
Oh.
Oh.